Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare the Acer Nitro Blaze 7 and Asus ROG Ally X. The Acer Nitro Blaze 7 and Asus ROG Ally X are both gaming laptops designed for high performance, but they cater to different users' needs and preferences. The Acer Nitro Blaze 7 is known for its solid performance, featuring powerful processor and dedicated graphics card that can handle demanding games. It often comes with a high refresh rate display, providing smooth visual during gameplay. The laptop is also relatively affordable compared to other gaming laptops in its class, making it a good choice for gamers on a budget. It offers a decent battery life and variety of connectivity options, ensuring a versatile gaming experience. In contrast, the Asus ROG Ally X is a part of Asus Republic of Gamers lineup, which is known for premium gaming hardware. The ROG Ally X typically offers higher-end specification, including the latest processors and top-tier graphics card, making it ideal for gamers who demand the best performance. It also features advanced cooling technology, a customizable RGB keyboard, and a high-quality display with a fast refresh rates and better color accuracy. However, it often comes at a higher price point. If you're looking for a solid gaming laptop that offers good performance at a more affordable price, the Acer Nitro Blaze 7 is a great choice. If you want top-tier performance and premium features and are willing to spend more, the Asus ROG Ally X is the better option. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.